Hi there, how are you today? Today I'm going to attempt a Dutch pour. As you can see, I've already tried, and I think it's been so long since I've done one that I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Because I made a hot mess and I didn't even save the video because I even stuck my hair in it. So yeah, you don't want to see that. I'm just starting over again here. Hopefully this one will go better. I have the base coat down already on this Artist Loft Level 3 gallery wrapped canvas, 10 by 20, one of my favorite sizes to do the Dutch pour on. And the colors I'm using today are Pebeo's ultramarine blue, iridescent blue-green, DecoArt 24 karat gold, pure 24 karat gold, not even washed out with, tinted out with the pearl. And this is a mixed mystery green blue. This is my version of Amsterdam's green blue. Not sure what's in it, a little bit of green and a little bit of blue. That's all I can say. I really don't have any idea what else is in it. Not trying to be cheeky, I really don't know what's in it. I mixed colors and that's what I ended up with. So did want to pop in because I haven't done a video for several days, and I wanted to come and remind everybody to make sure that you are subscribed and comment on my 100 subscribers giveaway video, which is the previous video to this one, which I will link as well if you want to have your name in the draw for my giveaway. Winner gets their choice of prize of the 3 items that I posted in that video. So if you haven't seen it and you're interested, go have a look. It's not a very long video, less than 5 minutes. And I will be doing that Sunday night, 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I have to go and figure out how to do work that comment picker thing. I haven't even opened it yet, but I am going to do that maybe tonight. That's way better than my other attempt, that's for sure. That green blue with the iridescent, which one is this? Blue-green? That's so nice. One on top of the other, the lighter it blends right out into that green blue. That looks pretty nice. I like that. Okay, I'm going to puff on this a little bit just to kind of soften some of these lines. When it comes to lines, that I'm a little bit fussy. So I don't like these little crowny pieces. I definitely don't like the ones that are square, where you can see you had a concentrator on the blow dryer and it goes out and it's just a square piece of paint. Can't stand that. I'm also not a fan of, I call them arrowheads, where it tapers. It looks like a petal, sure enough, but to me, I just don't like the shape. I like shapes that are a little bit more, you know, just random. They're not smooth, they're not wispy, they're just, I don't know how to explain it. You know, something more like this where it's just kind of non-shape. has a non-shape to it. I'll bring you down for a close-up because I'm rambling. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, here it is. I just went and kind of just gave a little puff on some of these edges. Nothing too extraordinary. I usually go in and kind of try to blow a little bit of the white off of these areas where you can kind of see the paint underneath. And that will dry a little bit darker. As it dries, that color will come through better. I'm quite happy with it. I'm not a fan of how washed out that got there. Probably human error, just the way that I angled my blow dryer, because the rest of it, the color stayed a lot better. Out of practice, that's okay. It's still nice. And not too much gold, which I'm happy about, because that gold, the 24 karat gold, is not my favorite gold in the world. I like it when it does little things like this. Quite like that. I don't particularly like it when it does stuff like that, where there's a block of it like that. But that's okay. It's still okay. I like that green blue mixture that I made. I'll probably never be able to make it again, but there's always Amsterdam green blue if I ever decide to order it. Anyhow, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you on Sunday night for the giveaway. Bye.